So if you're looking for unmanned running and a top quality high performance Millturn machine, look no further. I'm going to talk you through the NTX 1000. So we're looking here at the DMG MORI NTX 1000. This is a carbon neutral built machine, would you believe? All of their machines are achieving that these days. Now this machine itself is a Millturn multitasking machine, whichever way you choose to describe it. You'll see here we've got two spindles on this machine. We've got a main spindle and then we've got a second spindle. And above both of those we have an extremely capable and sophisticated milling B-axis, which is capable of doing 240 degrees in motion. Now, sometimes we look at these machines, and what we tend to find is they are basically have the two spindles and the milling head, and they don't often have this turret. Now, this turret on this machine gives you the option to be able to then be machining on the front spindle and the back spindle simultaneously. Not only that, you can also then start to be a little bit more crafty, a little bit more creative in how you machine parts. You can start to do things like balance turning. You can start to do things like pinch milling. All of these things will allow you to machine a component in one hit. Now, of course, you can do 5-axis machining on this machine as well. DMG MORI claim to be 5-axis champions, and we see that across all of their machines these days. It's a market that they've been successful in for many, many years. Now, who's going to use this machine? Well, all kinds of manufacturers, people that are kind of getting fed up with having to set parts up on one machine, take them off, move them across to another machine, introducing the possibility of making errors and making incorrect components by doing that, and also having increased cycle times as a result of those aspects. Well, the NTX machine is a real prime quality machine tool, one that's been being sold in the market for many years and one that manufacturers adore when they get them. Now let's have a look at the tool changer. Now this is what feeds what we spoke about, the milling head. Now here in this machine you can see, I'm going to count them up, I think there's about 90 tools in here. This allows you to keep the machine running. It also allows you to be able to standardize on tooling, and it makes life easy when it comes to operators having to get in and change tools frequently. They don't have to do that. And the beauty of having it at the front of the machine here is it means that all the working areas of this machine, including the tooling, including the insides of the machine, including this powerful Celos control, are all front facing. They're all very accessible and operator friendly. Now this is where it gets exciting. This is what I want to show you. So this is the IMTR. Now this is a fairly new loading system from DMG MORI, and this is what keeps this machine running unmanned. This is what means you can get the best out of the technology, keep the spindles going to the maximum when it comes to uptime, and also get the best use out of the tool carousel because you've got the ability to feed the machine continuously. Now this robot goes in and out of the machine. It kind of compresses and goes into the machine to put the components in and to take the components out. But how do you feed it? Well, you've probably seen it by now. You've got this kind of quite novel tray system where you can pull the trays out when the door's closed. You can load components. I'm assuming these pins will become like your datum points. You can then close the tray. That can be used to pick parts up, and potentially your finished parts may be here, where you can then they can then exit the machining process as machined complete components ready to be shipped to a customer. Now this type of automation is being added to a lot of DMG MORI machines, various styles of automation you can have with DMG MORI, but the ultimate idea and the ultimate aim is to keep this whole machining area running. And you can do that when you've got a machine that continues to perform day in, day out. Here, this milling spindle here comes with a 3-year warranty. That's the confidence they have in their product. If you're looking for the latest technology when it comes to Millturn, and don't forget, with DMG MORI's control systems, they've got their tech cycles, and these things just make it even easier. We're talking about how easy it is to operate, load, change tools on a machine like this, but also the tech cycles make it easy to program. You can do things like gear cutting, off-center turning, interpolation modules. There's around 50 tech cycles, which they claim there's nothing else like it within industry. All of that is on this machine, plus more. And guess what? It's available from stock here at DMG MORI. You can also talk to them about their finance. They do some brilliant finance options to make it very easy for subcontract engineers and OEMs to get into DMG MORI technology. As I said at the start of this, it's a truly advanced piece of kit here, and it could be yours because it's available here from stock.